Jimmy, we need to talk.
Yes, madam. What is it?
You were trying to get close to my son before, weren't you?
I'm sorry, madam. I made a mistake. It won't happen again.
What if I told you that I need your help with something important?
What do you mean, madam? What kind of help?
I need to get rid of Nina. She doesn't belong here, and I want her out of this house.
How can I help with that?
I have a plan, but it requires your cooperation. You will need to get close to David again. But only to make Nina believe that he is betraying her.
So, you want me to do something with Sir David?
Yes. You have to sleep with David. Don't be excited. It will all be an act. If Nina believes it, she might leave him. And that's what we want.
So, I just need to pretend?
Yes, just pretend. I will take care of the rest. But you must be careful not to overstep your boundaries.
Understood, madam. When should we start?
Soon, Jimmy. Just be patient, and we will wait for the right moment.
I will be ready. I won't let you down.
Oh my God, Mrs. Amber, what happened? Who could have done this to you? She is dead. I have to call Nina. She needs to know.
Hello, Rachel.
Nina, you need to come home right now. Something terrible has happened. Your mother. She has been shot.
What? No. This can't be happening. I'm coming right away.
Nina, I'm here with her, but please, just come quickly.
Mom, what happened to you? Please, open your eyes. Please, talk to me. How can I live without you? You were all I had. Rachel, how did this happen? What were you doing here?
I came to meet your mother, but when I entered, I saw her lying there, bleeding. I didn't know what to do.
But who could have done this? Does she have any enemies?
No. We don't have any enemies. Why would someone kill my mother?